Winnie in her dress. Yeah, she's doing okay in her little dress. She's leaving her stitches alone. Well, good morning. I called the septic man. I'm waiting for a call back. He got my info. His son took over the business, so I'm just waiting for the son to call to see when they can come. It's not an emergency, it's maintenance. I have it done every 3 years. Typically there's mainly paper in it. So it's a little early to do weed eating right now. I don't like to start it before 10 o'clock because if there's any neighbors sleeping. And so do a little sanding and wait for 10 o'clock. This is considered live edge. It's not I'm using the integrity of the wood. So I'm keeping, it's not in a uniform round disc. I think it'll make a nice piece. I always do the back side. And I'll polyurethane the back side too. You know, with moisture and wood, it can sometimes go funky. But I like it to be complete. I don't like to do a half job. So that's why I do front and back of a piece, even though people won't see the back piece. Now, it won't be as finely sanded as what you can see, but it will be sanded. Well, it's June 1st, and you can see the corn's already knee-high by the 4th of July. Now this is field corn. You can tell by how dark the leaves are. Sweet corn has a lighter leaf. But with all the rain and heat we've had, the corn is just sprouted. I'm sure the farmers are happy. I'm going to have my red tomato for the 4th of July. There's one, and there's two. This one could be picked. This one I would leave on a little more since I still have green. See if I can get a better shot of that. There we go. There we go. Ha ha ha, Jimmy, I got a tomato before you. Well, I want to thank all my self-reliant peeps for watching. I am hot, dirty, and tired. So that's going to be it for today. I appreciate every one of you that watches my channel. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way in helping the channel to grow. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.